to lower the water levels.
Oh,
Set the hose. And this is how we test to make sure that our system is working. This is to let out the water.
Down to me?
Okay.
Oh.
So now, what we're doing here is lowering the water level. As you can see, the water level is being lowered. Okay. There we go. That's the water coming out. Alright. So we're going to wait for the water level to drop. And then the boiler should give a response to automatically refill. There we go. So now what it's doing right now, it is automatically shutting off the boiler. As you can see, the damper switch is closing. Boiler is cut off. Now I turned that water off. Stop letting it out now. The light is still on. Okay. There we go. Give it a couple of seconds. And then this baby right here should kick in. Go. So now the boiler is automatically refilling back to its safe. Water is rising. Once it reaches this level, this is cut off. There we go. Automatic is opening back up now. And now your boiler is lighting back. And that's how automatic feeds work.
That's too much for me to absorb.
Okay.
So I don't have
Job well done.
Okay. I don't have to turn on